family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, y'all, I am doing another 2 deals of 5 off of 25 during the week. Yes, honey, 5 off of 25 during the week. If y'all not out here getting these deals and it's 5 off of 25, I don't know what's going on. Because you can start you up a stockpile real quick within a week. Yes, within a week, within a day. I mean, you don't even got to wait till Saturday. You don't have to do small deals. You can do a big deal and get it for a low out of pocket. So today I did 2 deals. I went to 2 stores and did 2 deals. Now, some of the stuff that I'm showing you is almost the same, but then I just said I needed some body wash. I needed these things, okay? I could have got other things, but I was like, I might get those things either later on this week, okay? So let's go ahead and get to this video, okay? Yes. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers, okay? So if you would just like this channel, go ahead and share it. Go ahead and click that notification bell, okay? So let's go ahead and get to the first one. Okay, so the first one, y'all, I did the 5 off of 15 along with the 5 off of 25. Y'all know yesterday I did a deal, right? So I was telling everybody to let me know in the comments, which I don't know what I wasn't thinking, but like I said, the store that I went to, which I went to that today, okay? And I got a basket today, so I was good. But yesterday, no basket, okay? But today, they had 2 baskets, okay? So either somebody bought the baskets back or they was in the store, had product and stuff in it. You know how they do. So today, I did the 5 off of 15 and then also combined with the 5 off of 30. I want to thank everyone who commented on my video to let me know, hey, don't forget, you have to get it up to $30 to get if you're doing the 5 off of 15 along with the 5 off of 25. Thank you all very much. So that's what I did over here. So I got the Optic Colgate White. They are $4 a piece, and there is a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that came off. Then I got the 2 soft soaps. I got the hydrating luminous oil soft soap. They are $5.50, and I got 2 of them, so there was a total of $11. So that $5 did come off. Then, so, you know, you always have to incorporate other things into the transactions to make it go up to, y'all, what? $30. Yes. So I wanted to get some high volume coupons, which is the amount. So this right here, this Vaseline, let's see, how much was it? The Vaseline was $6.50. There was a $4 off digital coupon. And y'all, this right here, I just love this Vaseline Cocoa Radiant Oil. I usually get it in the big bottle, but they don't have the big bottles. These are the small bottles that are $6.50. But there was a $4 off coupon. And once I tell you my subtotal, you're going to be like, girl, you got that mainly free, okay? So then the last thing I got was some energizers, and y'all, I need to stock up on energizers because you know the winter is coming, okay? Fall and winter's coming, so you know when it gets cold outside, you need batteries for things, you know, for lights, for anything, okay? Flashlights, whatever, even now because we be having storms, okay? So y'all need to pick up these batteries. These batteries, I got the AA energizers, and it's the 4-pack. It is, let's see, $5, and there is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching. Okay. So once she rung up everything, put everything, and I put everything, put my number in, I'm sorry. Once she rung up everything, I'm talking too fast. Let me slow down. Slow down, Miss Nanda, slow down. Once she rung up everything, I put my number in. My subtotal was $5.50. Yes, $5.50. So let me show you my receipt. So there is everything, and look at my total savings, $25, and I went over, and then I paid $5.50. You know, everybody's taxes is different. So there it is right there. So let's move on over here to my next transaction and the next store that I went to. Now this store, y'all, had these babies. Yes, they had these babies. None of my other stores didn't have the babies, okay? So when I walked in, I was looking for the warmers, but none of the store, they was all out of the warmers, honey. Somebody took those, honey, and was gone, okay? So I did the 5 off of 15, which I got these Colgate toothbrushes. They are $3.35, so I got 2 of them. There was one left. I wish it was 2, because I would go back tomorrow to that store and do it again. Hopefully nobody's, seeing it. And then I purchased the 2 soft soap. Okay, so they $5.50, and then for 2 of them is $11. So that's my 5 off of 15 right there, and it came off. So then I had to get me another Vaseline, because, honey, I think people are getting the Vaselines, honey. Yes, they are going, because somebody laid it down. And if you hadn't really been looking or upright looking, you would have been like, okay, well, they're out of it. I moved it. I said, oh, somebody was trying to lay this down so they can come back and get it. But I'm sorry. I'm going to take it, okay? I'm sorry, but I'm going to take it. So I got the Vaseline, and it is $6.50. There is a $4 off digital coupon that did attach. So then the next thing was the Skintimate razors. We got to have the razors, okay? We got to have the razors, y'all. We got to take care of ourselves, women, and even some men. We got to take care of ourselves, and you got to shave, honey. You got to shave, okay? So these are $6, and there is a $4 off digital coupon that is attaching, and that came off. And then I got me some more Energizers. This time I got the AAA 4-pack, okay? So you have to get the 4-pack. You can't get the 5-pack or whatever, I don't think. But the 4-pack, I got the AAA Energizers Max. So they are, let's see, the Energizers are $5. There's a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching. So after he scanned everything, I put in my number. Y'all, my subtotal came down to $6.20. Yes, $6.20. I was like, okay, because when I put it in my app, trying to put it in my cart to see how much I would have to pay, I thought I was going to have to pay $11 and something. But no, ma'am. It came on off to $6.20. So let me show you my receipt. There it is right there. And there it is, $6.20. And everybody's tax is different. Look at my total savings, $29. And look, y'all, I forgot to show on the other receipt, but on the other receipt, I got the same thing. I got a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. And then, y'all, look at this. 5 off of 25 for next week. All next week from the 22nd to the 26th. I think it's the 26th. Yeah, I think it's either 25th or the 26th. Y'all, if we don't get no digits, honey, I got my paper. Because I'm great to hopefully we get some good coupons next week. But we still got coupons that is in our apps that is good too. So, yeah, this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Londa's Child.